Before launching the Galaxy S23, Samsung will most probably unveil its next-generation Galaxy A smartphones, including the Galaxy A14 5G, Galaxy A34 5G, and the Galaxy A54 5G. All these devices will most probably use Samsung's next-generation Exynos chipsets with improved performance. The Galaxy A54 5G has been spotted in Geekbench's database using the Exynos 1380 processor, which will succeed the Exynos 1280 processor that is used in the Galaxy A33 5G and the Galaxy A53 5G. The Exynos 1380 has 4 high-performance CPU cores clocked at 2.4 GHz and 4 power-efficient CPU cores clocked at 2 GHz. It also features the same Mali G68 GPU that's used in the Exynos 1280. However, it could have more GPU cores or a higher clock speed. As per Geekbench's performance test results, the Exynos 1380 scored 776 points in the single-core CPU test and 2,599 points in the multi-core CPU test. Since the single-core score is similar to the Exynos 1280, we expect the upcoming chipset to use the same Cortex A78 cores. The multi-core score is 50% higher than the Galaxy A53 5G Exynos 1280 processor, which means that there is a noticeable improvement in performance. The Galaxy A54 5G is expected to feature a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display with full HD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an in-display fingerprint reader. It could have a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5,100 mAh battery, and 25 watts fast charging. Other features include 5G GPS, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, a USB Type-C port, stereo speakers, and an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. What do you think about upcoming Galaxy A54? Give your opinion in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.